Hello, welcome to day 2, December 1st. We are in module 11 in our last unit, unit 4. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. Today in async, you have 2 activities. First activity is a Google assignment. Okay, you're going to click My Document. You usually see this. Read all the directions before beginning. When you start, click Edit. When you're finished, click Submit. So you will click My Documents. It'll be over here next to Assignment for you, and you will see this document show up. Okay, so what you're going to do, read this paragraph describing the steps. Look for imperative verbs. Make a list of all the steps. So you're just going to do it in sequential order. When you're done, you will click Submit. Your second async activity is in MEL. Please, my friends, complete the activities in MEL. They are very helpful. So you're going to do some exercises with expressing purpose, reason, and contrast. All right, so you'll watch the little video in the grammar coach and you'll do activities 1 and activities 2. Okay, and that's it for async. It is a Tuesday, so we meet together for class. We will practice speaking with purpose and reason and contrast, and then we will start developing our POV and claim for our essays. So be sure to have your evidence with you. And that's it. Good luck.